Hi, have a good day. I am K. Surya, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology. So let us see a video lecture series on wireless communication. So we will see about the fundamentals of wireless communication. So in this presentation, we will see about the evolution of cellular networks. There are five different evolution which ranges from first generation to fifth generation. So we will see one by one. The first one is 1G technology, which is the first generation wireless technology. It was introduced in 1980s and it was used up to 1990s. The speed of the first generation wireless networks was up to 2.4 kbps and it allows only voice calls. 1G network, it uses only analog signals. It was first launched in USA in 1G mobile systems. The drawbacks of first generation are the voice quality is very poor and battery life also it is very poor. Size of the phone is very large and there is no security at all. Next one is it has only limited capacity. It can accommodate only few users and handoff reliability is also very poor. So mostly 1G cellular systems are not used nowadays. Next technology is 2G technology, which is known as the second generation wireless technology. It is based on GSM, which is Global System for Mobile. It was launched first in 1991 at Finland. This 2G technology it uses digital signals and the speed was increased up to 64 kbps. It has several features which include it enables, apart from the voice calls, it uses text messages, picture messages, and multimedia messages were able to be sent in the 2G technology, and it also provides better quality and capacity. So drawbacks of 2G technology are it requires strong digital signals to help the mobile phone work. And if there is no network coverage in any particular area, this is only because of the digital signals which will be very weak. So these systems are unable to handle complex data such as videos because of weak signals. Next one is 2.5G technology. So it is in between the 2G technology and the 3G technology. In the 2.5G technology, instead of GSM, it used GPRS. Uh, the features of this include, apart from the phone calls, you can use the 2.5G for web browsing as well as for email messages, sending and receiving of email messages. And the speed was increased up to 144 kbps. Camera phones was first introduced in 2.5G technology and it takes 6.6 to 9 minutes to download a 3 minutes MP3 song. Next one is 3G technology. So 3G technology is the third generation technology which was introduced in the 2000s. The data transmission speed is ranges from 144 kbps to 2 mbps. Typically, this 3G technology mobile phones were known as smartphones because of its increased bandwidth and data transfer rates. It also was able to accommodate web-based applications and you were able to transmit audio and video files under the 3G technology. The main features of the 3G technology is it provides faster communication. It can send and receive large email messages. It has high speed web browsing, 3D gaming, video conferencing, all were possible in 3G technology. Uh, TV streaming, mobile TV was also introduced in 3G technology. So it was able to accommodate more number of users. So there was increased capacity and it took only 11 seconds to 1.5 minutes to download a 3 minutes MP3 song. There are few drawbacks in the 3G technology, which is it has expensive fees for 3G licensing services. and it was a challenge to build the infrastructure for 3G. It needs high bandwidth, and its a phone is very costly, and the size of the phone is also very large. Next comes the 4G technology. So you can say that in the 4G technology, you can use it everywhere. So it's also known as anytime, anywhere. So 4G technology was started from the late 2000s, and the speed was up to 1 Gbps. Mm, it is basically known as MAGIC, where M stands for mobile multimedia, A stands for anytime, anywhere, G stands for global mobility support, I stands for integrated wireless solution, and C stands for customized personal services. So it's also known as mobile broadband everywhere. So 4G is a MAGIC. So next generation of wireless technology, which promises is the 4G technology. It has higher data rates and high quality of service, and also it provides better security. The main features include security, high speed, higher capacity, and low cost per bit. The drawbacks of 4G technology are it uses more battery consumption. So the battery will drain soon in your 4G mobile phones, and it is very hard to implement. As you know, as the technology keeps on increasing, definitely the complexity will also increase accordingly. So it needs complicated hardware. Uh, Good innovative technologies have always complicated hardware, uh, expensive equipments. It required to implement next generation network. This is a comparison between 3G and 4G technology. So data transfer rate for 3G is 3.1 megabits per second, and 4G is 100 megabits per second. Internet services include for 3G it is broadband, and for 4G it's ultra broadband. Mobile TV resolution is low in 3G, whereas it's high in the 4G. Bandwidth for 3G is 5 to 20 megahertz, and for 4G it's up to 100 megahertz. Frequency is 1.6 to 2 gigahertz, and for 3G, and for 4G it is 2 to 8 gigahertz, and the download speed is and upload speed is 5.8 megabits per second, whereas for 4G it's up to 100 megabits per second. Next comes the 5G technology, which is also known as Wireless World Wide Web, WWW. So it was introduced in the late 2010. It's a complete wireless communication with almost no limitations. So several benefits of the 5G technology is high speed and higher capacity. It provides large broadcasting of data in gigabits per second. Multimedia newspapers are possible. You're able to watch the TV programs with good HD quality. Faster data transmission is also possible here. Phone memory size is very large. Dialing speed and clarity of audio and video is also very good in the 5G mobile phones. Support interactive with multimedia. It also supports voice streaming, video, internet, and other services. It's more effective and more attractive. This is a comparison between 4G and 5G. In the 4G, it was introduced from 2000 to 2010, and 5G it is under use from 2010 to 2020. 4G and 5G both uses either circuit or packet switching. Data transfer rate is up to 20 Mbps for 4G and up to 1 Gbps for 5G. And it uses a combination of LAN, WAN, and PAN, both 4G and 5G. That's all about the evolution of wireless networks from 1G to 5G. So you see how the advancements are taking place under each technology. So 5G is the better one, where all the features are available now and we are using it. Next one, we'll take up few assessment questions. Which of the following leads to 3G evolution of GSM, IS-136 and PDC systems? GPRS, HSCSD, WCDMA or EDGE? Yes, the answer is WCDMA. Next question is, which of the following is true for first generation wireless networks? Either it is low rate, efficient, high data rate, or digital technology. So the answer is low rate. Thank you for watching this video.